Hi guys, in this question we are going to see the level order traversal of a binary tree. Okay, so what is level order traversal? Level order traversal says that we needed to print all the nodes present at the same level in a line, and then we need to switch the line. Okay, so at level 1 50 is present, so we will print 50. Then at level 2 25 and 75 are present. Then at level 3 12, 37, 62 and 87 are present, and at level 4 30 and 70 are present. Okay, so we need to print this. Okay, we need to print this. We have seen the similar question in generic tree, which is based on the algorithm remove, print and add childs. Okay, so firstly we are having a queue. In this question we will create a queue and add 50, as 50 is our root node. Okay, so 50 is added. Then we will remove 50. There is only one element in the queue, so we will create a loop only one time. We will create a for loop which will move only one time. Okay, we will remove this, we will print this, right, and we will print this. After that we will add its childs, so 25 and 75 will get added to the queue. Then we will change the line. Okay, then we will change the line. After that there are two elements in the queue, so we will create a for loop which will move two times. Okay, after two times it will change the line. So firstly 25 will get removed, we will print 25 and we will add its childs, so 12 and 37. 12 and 37 will get added. Okay, now we will remove 75, we will print 75 and we will add its childs 62 and 87. Okay, now and this is first level, this is second level. Now there are four elements in our queue. Firstly we will change the line because we have traversed both of these elements. Okay, 25 75 are traveled. Now we will change the line. Now our for loop will move four times. Okay, four times. So firstly we will remove 12, we will add 12, we will print 12 and we will add its childs. There are no childs, so we will add nothing. We will remove 37, we will write 37 and we will add its child, so 30 will get added. Okay, now 62 will get removed, 62 will get printed and we will add its child, so 70 will get added. After that 87 will get removed, 87 is printed and there are no childs of 87, so we will do nothing. This is third level. The loop is traversed four times, we will change the line. After that 30 will get removed, 30 will get printed, 70 will get removed, 70 will get printed. There are no childs of 30 and 70, so we will not add anything in the queue. Now our queue is empty and our level order traversal is printed. This is how we are going to solve this problem. Okay, so let's code this problem. We are provided with a function level order. Okay, so in this, firstly we will create a queue of type node. Queue equals to new array dq. In this queue, firstly our root node will be present, root. Okay, we will create a loop until the size of our queue is greater than 0. When it will get 0, when our queue becomes empty, we will terminate the loop. Okay, now we will check the size of our queue dot size. We will create a for loop and I equals to 0, I is less than size I plus plus. Okay, in this loop, firstly we will remove node, remove equals to queue dot remove. Firstly we will remove, then we will print system dot out dot print remove plus we will provide some space. Okay, now we will add its left child and right child if present. So we have to check if rem dot left is not equals to null. That means rem node has left child, so we will add q dot add rem dot left. Okay, we will check rem dot right is not equals to null, and what we are going to do, q dot add rem dot right. Okay, Now this is good. Now we have to change the len system.out.println, because we have traversed all the elements present in the queue at the time when we are not adding its childs. Okay, so let's run this question problem. Firstly, let me remove this. The program is getting run. Yeah, we are having a compilation error. Queue.add. Okay. Okay. So here we have written node. We have to write node. Okay. This is syntax problem. And we have to write here data, because we are printing remove dot data, because we need to print data. If we will print remove, then it will print the address, which is not required. Okay. Now our code is accepted. Let's submit the code. So basically it will run. So what we have done, we are just firstly our while loop is checking that if our queue.size is null, then we need to return. And this 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 is getting done by for loop. For loop is moving, is iterating two number of times. After this we are printing println. Okay, after this println. Between these two, this is for loop. For loop is running one time. For loop is running two number of times. For loop is running four number of times. Okay, so this is how we are going to print the level order traversal of a binary tree. I hope you guys understood the problem. Thank you.